How to change personal PayPal to business account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can upgrade PayPal personal account to a business account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up paypal.com and make sure to log in into your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to this menu bar at the top and navigate to the top right corner. There is a settings icon, you have to click on it. That's going to take you to the account option. So here you have to scroll all the way to the end, and if your account is verified, you will see an option to upgrade to a business account. In my case, I have not verified my email, so I may not get an option to convert my personal account into business account. But if your account is all set and verified, under this section you will have an option to upgrade to a business account right here. So there you have to click on upgrade to business account. After that, you will be asked to choose from whether you want to continue with your current email or you want to add new one for the business account. So according to your preferences, you have to choose one option from there. Then you will be prompted to enter your business details, including your legal business name, your business address and phone number, also your business type. Also provide your product and services that your business offer, and then more other information like your income, sales, also the employer identification number or social security number if prompted. So you have to provide all of that information. Once you're done with providing your details, now you have to complete any other additional prompts that you may see to finalize the upgrade. So in this way, you can upgrade or you can convert your personal PayPal account into the business account. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.